Hi, I'm Sebastian Heinz, and I'm here with
Roger Dubert.
and of course we're with Zenith Aircraft Company, and we're going to provide a little bit of an update on this coronavirus and how it's affecting our operation. It's Monday, March 23rd, and as we know, there's a lot going on, not only across Missouri, across the country, and around the world. So it's really affecting all of us one way or another. And so, Roger, in a nutshell, what are we doing? How is this affecting us?
Well, we're taking precautions everywhere we can. We're still answering phones, doing tech support. We're keeping our distance away.
That's right. We're doing our social distancing, as well as making sure we sanitize everything as well as we can, aren't we?
Right, and then some of those employees that doesn't feel comfortable or health-related issues, they went home. And,
right.
So we're trying.
Right, and we're open. Importantly, though, we're answering the phones. We've checked the board. Roger's been busy every morning answering the phone, and we plan to continue to do that in one capacity or another. Even if it works out that we have to shut down the factory, we still want to be there to answer the phone so that you guys can still get hold of us and get answers to your questions, whether it's ordering parts or technical support questions. And same with parts, we have pretty good inventory. We do batch production here, so we always have a lot sitting on the shelves. And we want to, as long as we're able to, we will continue to ship out parts, replacement parts, or additional parts for customers, whether it's FedEx, UPS, post office, and so forth. So as long as we're able to, we will definitely continue to supply parts for customers.
Exactly. We'll get through this.
And this is a good time for you builders. If you have time, to work on your project, working in your garage or basement, that's an excellent example of again, social distancing and isolating yourself to limit the spread of the virus. So again, we encourage you to keep building, keep flying as well. We've got lots of folks posting videos about social distancing themselves in the air, and that's a fun thing to do. As well as a good opportunity to keep busy and to not let this get you too down. And like Roger says, we'll get through this one way or another. At this time, we really don't know how long this is going to go on for and what capacity, but we'll do our part and to help you guys as builders and aviation enthusiasts to get through all this and with minimal impact. And when we do get back to normal, we certainly plan on being around to be able to fully support you guys with kids sales and manufacturing and so forth.